everybody, Mrs. Bodechon here. Today we're going to be talking all about how fireworks get their color. So the first thing you need to know is really what's happening inside of a firework. It's just a huge chemical reaction that takes place in the sky. So what they do is they take like the shell, it's really a thin piece of cardboard, and they put all of these different chemicals and substances in and then ignite it, right? So what do we need to make a firework to begin with? Well, you're going to need some type of oxidizer. Now, there are lots of oxidizers out there. I'm just providing a few examples for you to see. Strontium nitrate or potassium nitrate are great examples. And then you're going to add a fuel source in order to have it burn, which is going to be either magnesium powder, sulfur, charcoal. Like I said, these are just classic examples of what we use in fireworks, but there's many more options out there that you could use. And when you combine these and ignite them, you're going to end up with a lot of heat. In other words, the explosion of the firework itself. Now, when certain substances are heated, they emit certain wavelengths of light, which we know as color, all right? So if we look at the rainbow, we can see that each color has its own wavelength. So if we're looking, the low energy is going to be the ones that have a longer wavelength, so reds, orange, yellows. As we go down, you can see the ones that have higher energy and a much shorter wavelength are going to be the ones like blue, indigo, and violet. Each one has a very distinctive wavelength, so when a substance burns, it will create or emit these wavelengths and will shine in that color. So let's talk about what substance makes what wavelength, or in other words, what color. So we have strontium. Strontium is Sr from the periodic table, and it creates red. So you're going to see a beautiful firework like this in the sky, and I put right here on the periodic table where you can find strontium. It is number 38. Calcium is going to be the one that creates orange. That's Ca on the periodic table, and it is number 20. Sodium is going to be the one that creates yellow, and that is Na, number 11 on the periodic table. Barium, which is Ba, creates green, and it is right here number 56 on the periodic table. And then copper is going to create blue, which is Cu, right here number 29 on the periodic table. So what do you need to know to create a beautiful firework? You need to know that you need your shell, and you need an oxidizer plus a fuel source, and then you're going to add your color to that. So you're going to pick any one of those substances. There's many more out there, you guys. Those are just the basic ones that you're going to see. And once you ignite it, you're going to have that firework explosion in the sky of all those beautiful array of colors. Thank y'all so much for watching. Okay, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and support my channel. That way you can see all the upcoming videos that I will be uploading for everyone. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye you guys.